Good. Welcome to Car Fix, guys. My name is Tiago. I got Jesse behind the camera. What's up, Jesse? How you doing, bro? So I'm sorry for the wind. It's a little windy today, but I want to show you guys how to change two doors on the 2005 CRV. So why don't you come this way? I'm going to show you what you need. You're gonna need like a drill. A drill will kind of like help you. You're gonna need an extension, a 13mm socket. Obviously, to remove the door, and then you're gonna need a ratchet like this with the swivel if you can. This is a 13mm, and also you're gonna need a 12mm. I don't know why they have two type of bolts on this one, but you're gonna need that, and then you're gonna need just like a flathead screwdriver just to remove the plugs. So over here on the door, the front door, this is the front door. I'm gonna post a little picture of actually what happened to my car. I was driving, and the stupid trash truck thought that he was gonna just operate on the opposite side, his arm, to grab a barrel, a trash barrel, and I went around him and the arm came out, and he just pretty much scraped the whole side of my car. Turn around, just. So he actually damaged my fender, which I couldn't find, but I found two doors in my buddy's yard. So these two doors, it's already installed, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So on the front door, this is the front door here, you have two plugs, right? Two plugs. It's going to go right inside the door jamb here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And the back door has one plug, and while we're here, the way that the door is hanging is there's two bolts over here, the two 13mm up here, two 13mm over here, and then there's a 13mm just holding this little holder, whatever you call this. So let me go and come over to the car, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this. All right. So the best way to do it, if you are gonna replace both of the doors, you always want to remove. All right. You always want to remove the plug first, right? So you come over here. You grab a flathead, and you just work it easy, nice and easy like this, right? This is already installed, but I'm removing just to let you guys know. Nice and easy, and here's the plug right in there. Right, to remove this plug, there is that little tab right here. You press on this tab, and then you just push them apart. All right. So after you remove the plug, remember, do the plug first. You want to do the plug first, because after you remove the bolts off the doors, it's just gonna fall on your plug, and then you have you might end up ripping your wires apart. So this is the back door. You take the plug here. You come on this side. You come on this side, and you remove this 13mm right here. Sorry for all the trash, my wife's trash. So 13mm here, you remove that, and then let's go on the other side. Take the end here. So you're already here. 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, and 13 here. Now let me see that phone real quick. All right, so for the front door, you want to remove this right here. You just want to pop it like this, pop it out like that, this way, and then up here, you where is it? Yep, right over here. You twist that, twist this little knob. It's gonna come down, and here's the plug, the two plugs. Here's one right here, and then the second one is this one right here, which the tab is weird. The tab is behind the plug. I'll show you outside. The tab is behind the plug. So as soon as you press the tab, you pull this out, and then you come over here to the front. You undo that one, and then the same thing as the back door. You'll grab the flathead screwdriver, you take that off, and then you just nice and easy just work your plugs out. And then to remove the door, you grab the 13 millimeter ratchet, and right here you remove there and there. Same thing for there and there. Nice and easy. And after that, you just remove and after that you just reverse the cycle, right? So, let me show you over here on the plug. So this plug on the front door, it's gonna be weird because the way it is, you have to depress that little lever right there for you to pull back on the front door. So after you do that, all you have to do is, this is like this on the car. You work on you get your flathead, and you just pull this out, and nice and easy, you just wiggle this out, and that's pretty much it. That right there, you guys already know to remove that 13 millimeter, and then the 4 bolts on the door, and then just reverse the process, man. Right, Jesse? That's right. So, hey, thank you guys for subscribing and watching. I'm gonna put some of the links on this stuff over here down below if you guys want to acquire that. This kit right here, I bought at it's a Cobalt kit. I bought it at Lowe's, and it's a lifetime warranty. I think I paid like 53 bucks or something like this for this, but I'm sure you can get something like this at Amazon. Hey, rapazinho, slow down. Doing a video. My father-in-law right there. I'm over here at his house, but thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you very much. This is Car Fix over here checking out Tiago, and I'll see you guys in the next time.